Hello everyone, welcome back to Tips and Tricks. Well, before I tell you what we're going to do today, of course you must have read the title of this video so you know, but a few quick announcements. First, I got 1000 views, so congratulate me. Okay, and the second thing is this is my last video using Windows 10. Yes. I don't know, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'll be upgrading to Windows 11. So I guess from the next video onwards you will see, oh, Windows 11. Okay, so let's get started. So what is Powertoys? So Powertoys is this utility in Windows 10 and 11. It comes for Windows 10 and 11, which enhances your Windows user experience. Actually, there are few features in Windows 11. There are few features in Powertoys which are integrated into Windows 11. Like for example, Snap Tools in Windows 11 is just fancy zones and Powertoys. So I already use Powertoys, but for this video, I'm just going to show you the download page because it's quite confusing to download Powertoys as it's GitHub. So first you go, open your browser, open any browser. I'm using Firefox. Then type GitHub, Powertoys. I'll actually put a direct link in the description below, so you don't have to go through all this. So now, on this page you may think, where do I go to download? So here there's something called releases on the bottom page. And then in assets, go to the first one and download the .txt file, which is about 46.6 MB. Okay. And that's that. I have already downloaded it, the latest version. And then I go here and I open settings. Next, in general tab, I just recommend, run at startup because you want all the features, right? And then you want to run an administrator mode or else. At first you need to run it in administrator mode, then afterwards you can just set this setting at restart Powertoys as administrator, and it's always going to run as administrator. Just tick this box. And then awake, I don't think so. It's just, it's your wish. Color picker also, it's your wish. You can have a look. I don't recommend color picker because it may spoil a lot of things. Fancy zones or in Windows 11, Snap Tools. So let's have a look. So this is a custom activation shortcut, but you can change it your wish. I use Ctrl+Shift+F because I think F for fancy zones helps me remind. So let's just press Ctrl+Shift+F. So yes, it loads this editor. You can make a custom layout, and you can use templates. In Windows 11, I don't think so. You can make a custom layout. So even in Windows 11, I recommend downloading Powertoys. So we'll just name it custom layout 1. Okay, so these are the instructions we don't need because I'm an expert in Powertoys. Just joking. So when you press Shift, you can do vertical separation, or when you don't press Shift, you can do horizontal separation. You can delete. You can navigate using the arrow keys and keep on deleting. That's your wish. For now, we're gonna cancel because we don't want anything. And by the way, if you have two monitors, I'm a guy with two monitors. One is my laptop screen, one is my main monitor. So for me, I have to get this option to change between screens, but if you're using a signal monitor, you won't get it. It's okay. Okay, next I recommend these colors. For example, now you can see a template. This is my original template. Actually, this is a custom template, even though it looks like one of those grid preset templates, because I don't know if you can notice, but 3 is bigger than 1 and 2 is bigger than 3. So I know you can just snap it like that. And by the way, it's actually very difficult how they get it. I didn't know it myself unless I was just messing with the controls. So what I do is, when you select the window, right click it, left click and right click once together, and then you can even set it between. You can even set it both like that. Well, also you can set it together. Okay, and then Windows behavior, restore original size of window when unsnapping. That's make dragged window transparent. That also is useful. When unsnapping means override window snap. So and then you get layouts. It's your wish. Flash zones between switching layers. That's all I wish. I have. Then for Explorer add-ons, I recommend using enable markdown.md preview, and then in icon preview, I recommend all. And then image resizer is this wonderful feature where you can resize images. Till now, I don't know if there's a feature. First now, I don't know if there's a feature right now in any Windows operating system except in Powertoys. So yes, I recommend this a lot. You can even make 4K, or if your wish, you can make any sort of display that's your wish. Moving on to keyboard manager, I don't recommend it. Mouse utilities, I recommend enable Find My Mouse. Okay, so what you do is you just press Ctrl 2 times. It activates this screen, which is nice. And the second one is you press Windows Shift H. Whenever you click, there's this yellow color. Of course, you can make it, right button click, I'll make it green. Left button click, I'll make it red. See, now that looks amazing. Just switch it off because I don't want it right now. Now, power rename, actually we don't need if you're like, into editing the register editor or anything else. Maybe this will be useful, but for us, we don't wanna touch anything. Powertoys Run is actually very, very useful. Activation shortcut, I recommend the default. So this is more like Windows search, but it's much easier to access. You don't have to drag your mouse or when you press the Windows key or space you're into typing. For example, I don't know, let's say Git. Git means there's Git CMD, Git GUI, and there's a command called Git, and then you have Git Bash, anything like that. Preferred monitor. So if what monitors I prefer? Actually, not primary monitor, just a monitor with mouse cursor. That's the best bet because your mouse is there, so you'll be focusing on the screen. Plugins. You know what? Use all these services. Use all this. Okay. I mean, it's nice to have 5+3 is what? Oh my god. That's a useful feature. Shortcut guide. Yes, you have to enable shortcut guide because it shows all the shortcuts. Okay. Then video conference mute. So video conference mute is a quick and easy way to do a global mute. That's what it says. You know what? Yeah, wish you can use it. You can don't use it. I at first used it, then afterwards in Microsoft Teams usually. No, we never turn on the camera. It's happening that these days. So I don't like. So I switched it off. So yes, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.